Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back to in another video analyzing for you the Bitcoin. So as you see, guys, what happened here, the weekly candle, it's finished as you see it here, and what it's giving us here in that zone. Look at it, what it's indicating to you. Let's zoom it a little bit like that for the picture to be more clear to you guys. What you see in here, look with me very close here, what you seeing. You got here a very stronger level and the Bitcoin is still holding there. And here, what that candle indicating here, there is a big buy-in from down. Yes, but as we told you before us, if you remember the last week, what else we told you we got a continuation pattern here, and that's what's happening here. As you see it, guys, the market is still falling down. So now what you need to do, guys, there is nothing to do, guys. Here there is no buying now. The market is still falling down more. Only for people they like to short, those ones, yes, they can enter short. But I think the market is still falling down more. But you need to make a close eye at that level here, because the Bitcoin is the only one who's still holding at that level here. It doesn't fall down like the stock market, like currencies, because majority of other things, they falling those days. And the VIX now is near to 30, guys, like that. So you need to make a close eye at those things. So Bitcoin is still very stronger in that level. But as you see it, and me I tell it to you before, what did I told you? Look at that one low, high, and now he give you another low, guys. As you see it, it's very clear here. That the low. It give you the high here, and that one is another low. Don't know how long it's going to be that another low. Maybe the next week is going to come another candle to break for us, even that level where we reach here at 17k. So there is no buying yet, guys. We're still in a downtrend. We don't know when it's going to finish, so there is nothing yet confirmed. And that week there is coming news, guys, so you need to make a close eye at that one. And now, guys, let me show you the coming news for tomorrow, for the picture to be more clear to you guys. As you see it here, guys, that the coming news for tomorrow, we don't got that much of news here. The most important news tomorrow is that one, the ECB President Lagarde speech, or the head of the European Bank. She's going to speak, the Christine Lagarde. And look here, what me are telling you guys. Look at the SP, it's 29.92. It's near to 30 now. And the dollar or dollar index or DXY, it's still very, very, very high, guys. And in the other side, look at US stock market, what it's doing, guys. Everything is falling down. As you see it, everything is falling down. So also we are in a very, very bad moment compared to the crypto, guys. Everything is too clear. Let's going back now to the chart to explain to you more, guys. So guys, now the view, I think we are going to head for another crash. Yes, let me be honest with you. Let's calculating where it's going to be exactly. Just bring in the Fibonacci retracement like that to here, to the last low, which is here. Then here, we're going to bring another one from here to here. So guys, as you see it, the Bitcoin is giving me here, is going to go till here, till that zone here at 15k, and that one is very bad, guys. I think you get the picture, and I'm going to tell you how I did it here in the weekly, guys. How I did it, I just came that from here to here, that the last low, the between 50 and 60, the level between 50 and 60, it used to be here in that zone here. Then from there we bring it to down where we are, and it give us, is going to go till here, till 15,985, guys. So you need to make a close eye at that level. And as you see me in my chart, what I got, I think is going to go lower till here, and I got another level at 12k. And here, that the lower of that wage also we got is here in the weekly, hasn't been touched yet. It touched it here. He tried to go up, but he found here that 200 moving average, it's reacting like a very stronger resistance, guys. So as you see it, then from there it's back in lower. So where is the low is here. You can even came from here like that, and you bring in down here. I think everything is too clear. So now the view is going to come till down here, till that level me I'll show you now, and I'm going to update you guys. Now it's going to daily to show you more, guys, what is it there. By the way, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber in our channel? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, every day, guys, we put in for you 2 videos analyzing the Bitcoin. Every day, 2 videos. One after the European market close and one after the daily candle close, guys. So like that, you're going to be very, very well informed from professional people that the job of them, guys. Also, when we give you to enter, we give you in the right place. We are not just going to give you enter from here and ask the people to be following us what else we give them. Or you can even join our Telegram channel. The link of it is in the first comment. So like that, you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. You join us, welcome to the family, my friend. Now let's go into show you the daily, guys. And here the daily, guys, what you see in here, as you see it, that the daily candle is finished here, that red one. Let's zoom it a little bit for the picture to be more clear to you. As you see, guys, what it's giving you here, what that candle here, that one, it give you here. What the name of that one? That one, his name, indecision candle, guys, and that's what I told you in the previous videos. I told you there is not big volume to pushing down or up. So that candle here, it's indicating indecision candle. And what did I told you here? Look with me here. What did I told you? And down here, I told you got an inside bar, guys. I tell it to you from that one and from that one. Look at them. It's very clear, guys. Yes or no? All those things I tell it to you in the previous videos, guys. And what did I told you here about those ones? The 3 candles. That one and that one and that one. I told you that indicating a hangman. And what that mean? That mean the Bitcoin is going to fall down. That's what it's showing to us, guys. It's showing to us it's going to fall down. Unless if it came here a green candle, it's going to change because that indecision candle, that meant there is the buyers and the sellers, they are equal. If it came a green, that meant the buyers, they win. That meant the Bitcoin, it will go up. And that's what I told you. I told you the Bitcoin, there is a correction coming, guys. I tell you all those things in the previous videos. But I'm going to tell you, guys, if you are going to buy or to sell or anything, our friend, guys. Who is it? Our friend is that one. Mr. Volume, guys. Who is winning here? Look, with me. Here, who is winning? All those candles, who is winning in them? Here, it came the time of news when the Fed make the decision, guys. Then after that, it came the green one. That's when the people, they sell here, they take profit here in that green one. Then the last 3 days, guys, what happened to them? Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. All of them, they being red, guys. But that redness here, what it's showing to you, even the sellers, they are not that powerful, guys. They get lower and lower. Why all that? I'm going to show you why. Look with me, guys, where you are now here in that zone here where you are, guys. Now very stronger supply and demand zone, guys. That means over here in that zone, there is a lot of orders. They are pending there. Big players, they put in orders of them pending in levels like those ones, guys. They don't buy them from anywhere like normal people like you or anyone else. They just put in orders of them in the levels. They waiting the market to come to them. Them they don't chase in the market, guys. That one is very, very important, guys. That's why the market, he couldn't break that level. I think it's going to come a correction, but after that there is another drop. And I tell it that to you in the 4 hours, guys. And here what you seeing, guys, look with me here in that zone. I show you that one in the previous videos, but it's okay to repeat it, guys. Look at it. It's a very clear head and shoulder, guys. And what did I told you me before? I told you the Bitcoin is always falling down by a head and shoulder, and it's always going up by a triangle, guys, like that. Yes or no? Where is the triangle now here in that level where we are? Look and look here. That the triangle, guys. If the Bitcoin came and break for us here, you need to enter long, guys. If the Bitcoin came and break for us that level here, as I show you in the weekly, it's going to drop more, guys, than that. We're going to see the Bitcoin in 10K. Everything is too clear, guys? And me in my chart, what I got. Let me show you my analysis in my chart. What I got me. Look at it. That's why me, I believe the Bitcoin is going to drop, guys. I got here. That level here with white, that one is a very long-term trend. And here I got the top of that channel. That one is by the way, is a down channel, that's the top of it. And here the lower of it. And here that level here, the Bitcoin when it's break it, every time he came to it here, and it's reacting like a very stronger resistance, guys. Every time he came to it, reacting like a very stronger resistance. So now also we got that one and we got that one down here. No one, even that one, every time he came to it, Bitcoin is go up, guys. Everything is too clear. Now, either one of two. From here to come to that level here to touch for us the lower of that trend line here. Then after that to drop again, because here is going to be the top of that channel again. Or from here to break it directly from here to break it directly to go down here to 17k or 15k, guys. Everything is too clear, and here as you see it very clear, guys. Look at the lower of our wage, guys, in the weekly. Everything is too clear, guys. Let's see our other indicator, what it's saying, guys, for the picture to be more clear to you. By the way, I know you are a subscriber. Did you smash the like button, my friend? Go ahead and smash in the like button, guys. Helping us, please. Helping us by smashing the like button and writing for us down a comment is very small thing from you, but it's helping us a lot. So please go ahead and smash in the like button and writing for us a comment, helping us to growing up more that channel, guys. You done it? Thank you very, very, very much, my friend. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying, guys, for the picture to be more clear to you. As you see, guys, that our indicator what we told you here in that level. We told you it's going to be like here or like here. Now what it's showing? It came down, it gave you here. Think it's going to go up to give you another one. Then it's going to fall down to give you the second one down. Then it's going to go up to give you the third one. And after that, it's going to drop, guys. If you remember what else we said before, 3 in the top and 2 down, guys. Yes or no? That's what else we said. So that's what you're going to do, guys. Remember my word. But where we are, guys. Remember my word, what me I told you in the previous videos, guys. Where we are. Who controlling here is the bears, guys. The bears were controlling here. And here that long-term trend, every time he came to it falling down. He touch it here, it fall down, guys. That one down here is not that big, but it's a trend line. It's been the market respected a lot of times. So you need to make a close eye at it. As you see it, 1, here 2, and here the third time is a very stronger level. It maybe is going to come to touch it like here. And after that it's going to go up, guys. Also we stand now in a sideways market. There is indecision in the market. No one want to buy, no one want to sell, because people, what can we say, that scariness, or people they are scared to invest at this moment, guys, because us now we enter in a very bad and sensitive moment in the world market. So that way you don't find a lot of volume in the market, guys, or in general in the crypto market, guys. Everything is too clear. Let's see our other indicator, guys, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. That one here, as I tell you in the previous videos, guys, you got here a divergence here and here. But if you see our indicator here, it doesn't showing it's going up, guys. Yes or no? It's still falling down. It doesn't make a corner like that. Everything is too clear, guys. But where you are here, look very close with me where you are. You are at the oversold area, guys. Yes or no? Now what you need to look for when you are at the oversold area, guys, you need to look for only for buy opportunities, guys. And what else we said before, you need to be in a stronger level. And yes, you are in a very stronger level. Second thing, our indicator to be at the oversold area. Yes, you are at the oversold area. The third thing, what is it? The price action. Where is the price action there? Look with me here and here. What you seeing, guys? You got a wage. Yes or no? So if that one came and break here, that level here, you enter long, guys. If it came and break it here, you enter long. Remember my word. If it came and break it here, you enter long. You will not break it within one day. It's going to take some time, guys. So that way, as we told you, to subscribe to our channel, so when as we put in a new video, you're going to be notified, or you can even join our Telegram channel. The link of our Telegram channel is in the first comment. So like that, when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified very, very, very quick. So if there is a signal, you're going to be notified, my friend. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Everything is too clear here, guys. Now let's go into the Bitcoin in the 4 hours to see what Bitcoin doing right now, guys, in the 4 hours. Here we are, guys, in the 4 hours, and here in the 4 hours, what did I told you me? Look here, what you got here. Look, a very stronger level here. And down here, a very stronger level. Yes or no, guys? And what we got here? Look at it. What did me I told you before? I told you got here a very stronger wage. Yes or no? Until now, it's still respected, guys. And what did I told you else? I told you if it's break here, enter long. Yes or no? Why? Why did I told you that? Look with me very close, guys, what I'm going to show you. Here in that zone. Let's zoom it a little bit, like that. Here, what did I told you me before? I told you got 2 levels here, that one, and you got that one here. Yes or no? I told you how many times he touched the top. First, second, here the third, and here the fourth, guys. Down how many times? First, second, third, and here the fourth, guys. And what did I told you? I told you need to make a close eye at the fifth one where it's going to break. Either to make like that, then after that to fall down, or another thing from here to go up and to break for you the top. If it's breaking the top, it's going to go higher. If it's breaking down, it's going to go lower, guys. And look with me here. You see the 200 moving average, guys. Look at it, how it's indicating. Is it in very downtrend, guys? Yes or no? Still going down. And another thing, let's zoom it like that. What you see in here, in our friend, guys, who is winning here? In that zone here, who is winning? The reds, guys. Who spike can tell now? It's still the red, guys. If you bring a line like that from here and you came like that, like that, guys. What you see in spike and tell now is only the reds, guys. It spikes sometimes the green, but not big, powerful like reds, guys. Even if you calculating them, you're going to find the reds, they are winning than the greens. So what that indicating to you, guys? It's indicating to you the sellers, they are winners, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. So I think everything is very, very simple and very clear. So go ahead, my friend, and smash the like button to helping us, guys. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. And in my chat, what I got me. Look what I got me, guys. I got that level here. Still very stronger, that level. Every time he came to it, he couldn't break it. Where is the lower of the channel, guys? Is it lower? Here at that level. So us, we are going to see what the market doing tomorrow and Monday to get a very clear picture, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. Let's see our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you, guys. Our indicator, guys, it tell you more picture clear and clear and clear here. Where you are, guys? Where we be in here? I told you over here, the buyers and the sellers, they are equal, guys. Yes or no? Now where you are, look, you fall down then that level, guys. Yes or no? And what did I told you here? Here, look with me here, very close, guys. What did I told you? Told you got a trend line. Look at it. It touch here, it touch here and here. Now it's break it, guys. It might don't want to go back to touch it here. Then after that, it's going to drop, guys. You need to make a close eye at those things, me, I'm telling you, guys. But who telling you who controlling now the market is the bears, guys, or the Bitcoin bears, not bulls, guys. The bulls, they are up in that level here. It couldn't reach to it, guys. That way me, I told you, it's still very, very, very early. It might don't want just a trap, that correction like that, just a trap, then they are going to drive it more lower, guys. Everything is too clear. It's our other indicator, guys, for the picture to be more clear to you. Our other indicator, guys, give you here a very clear picture. You are at the oversold area. And I tell it to you, the oversold area, we're looking only for buying opportunities, guys. So now us, we are at the oversold area. We need to looking for a buy opportunity. Second things, what is it? You need to be in a stronger level. And yes, you are in a very stronger level, guys. The third things, what is it? You need to have a price action. And yes, you have one here. The one here is a very stronger price action, guys. If it came and break in here, enter long, guys. Stop lose of you put it down here at 17k. Everything is too clear, guys. Take profit. Where is it? Here at that level here. Look here, and you can even take in the top of that one. But that level here, you need to take some of the profit, guys. Here, maybe you take just what you invest and you leave the profit to run, guys. Everything is too clear here, guys. So let's go in now to 30 minutes to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in 30 minutes, guys, for the picture to be more clear to you. Here we are, guys, in 30 minutes, and here in 30 minutes, what did I told you here? What did I told you in the previous videos, guys? You watching me, what did I told you? I told you got a triangle like that. And what that triangle meant to you, guys? I told you that triangle, it meant there is no big volume. It's getting smaller and smaller and smaller. And I told you if you bring a Bollinger Band, you're going to find it doing like that. It's going to give you like a bottleneck, like that. What that indicating, guys? That indicating is going to come a big going up or going down, guys. As a big squeeze is coming, guys. What is going to be, guys? No one will know it. And who's going to tell it to you? Is our indicator, guys, where you are going to go, if you are going to go long or short. Let's see our indicator, guys, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, guys, what it's saying to you here. You are at the oversold area. The 200 moving average, what it doing here? Look at it. It's getting flat, guys. There is no momentum, no going up, no going down. It's very flat, guys. Now what you need to looking for, guys? You need to look for a buy opportunity because you are at the oversold area, guys. You got any price action there? Let's zoom it and we see it. If we got any price action here. What is it, the price action here, guys? Look with me. Here and here. What you got, guys? You got a flag, guys. Look at it. Here, it's a flag. If it came that one and breaking for you, the 200 moving average like that, you bring that one and you put it here. So it's going to go maybe till here, till that last high here. I'm talking here about scalpers, not normal people. Till 20k, guys. Remember my word. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for today's video, guys. See you tomorrow after European market close, guys. Bye for now, guys.